Hey Tech Fam, GadInsider here with wild Google news. Google Photos is testing a CapCut editing button for memories, despite CapCut's bans in the US and India. Let's dive into this bold move. Edit your Google Photos memories in CapCut with one tap? This could change video editing forever. But why is Google teaming up with ByteDance? Stick around for the scoop. Google Photos is shaking things up. An APK teardown of version 7.38, spotted by Android Authority on July 23, 2025, revealed an Edit in CapCut button in the Memories viewer, where Google auto-creates highlight reels from your photos and videos. Tap it, and your photo-based memories can be sent to CapCut for pro-level editing with effects, music, and more. If CapCut's not installed, you'll get a Play Store prompt to download it. Here's the twist. CapCut, owned by ByteDance, TikTok's parent company, is banned in India and was briefly suspended in the US in January 2025 due to security concerns. Despite this, Google's testing this integration with a small group of users as per posts on X. Why? Some speculate ByteDance offered Google incentives to promote CapCut, which has over 1 billion Play Store downloads. The feature is not in the beta yet, so it might be a limited test or regional rollout, skipping places like India where CapCut's unavailable. Fans on X are split. Some love the idea of seamless editing with CapCut's AI tools like auto captions and keyframe animation, while others question Google partnering with a controversial company. This could signal more third-party integrations for Google Photos down the line. Why is this a big deal? This CapCut integration can make Google Photos a video editing powerhouse, but it's a risky move with ByteDance baggage. It shows tech giants are rethinking third-party collabs, potentially giving you more creative tools. Will this reshape how you edit memories? Hyped or skeptical about this CapCut move? Drop a comment. What's your take? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.